Good afternoon. How are you?
Very good afternoon. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, I'm also good. Thanks for asking me too. And I must say you are doing very great on your channel. I have just seen that you are progressing there.
Okay. You know what happens? Sometimes I'm not catching your words properly.
There's a my fan. Now, are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes. So did
Okay.
you say
Uh,
something? Hey, please turn off the cooler. Yes.
yes, it's okay.
Because the
I'm
cooler
saying
is also on. Yes, now it's okay. So my
what I
mind was
was saying.
diverted on the cooler sound. That's why.
Okay, okay, it's okay. What I was saying, let me repeat. You are doing great on your channel. Just watch your videos in the recent days. So it's okay. I think it's a great.
Okay, so thanks a lot. Your appreciation means a lot. And I'm
Okay.
not doing something great, but yes, whatever I'm doing, I'm just enjoying, I can say. And sometimes also I'm not able to have session, but whenever I'm just taking session, so I'm always trying to enjoy the session, enjoy the
Mm.
process that way. And just there's also one reason behind it. Just because I'm not overwhelming my mind, I'm not thinking so much that yes, I have to think about my channel, I have to grow my channel. I'm just doing just like in bindas manner. Okay, let's talk, and
Great.
whatever I'm talking, let's upload like this. Because I don't have much time, and also sometimes I'm watching lots of youtubers are there who are just having lots of books behind them. As behind you I can't see any book, but whenever I'm just watching someone and they are having session, and behind them there's a lots of english content related book. So I'm thinking sometime in my mind, like they people are so much fluent in english, it means I think they must have read all the books, that's why they are so much fluent in english. So like this I'm thinking. And sometimes I'm also regretting, like oh my god, I'm also having so many books, but look, I'm not reading a single book properly. That's why I'm not getting so much fluency. But yes, sometimes it doesn't matter that only we can get fluency by reading a lot, by listening a lot. Sometimes we are listening only little bit something, and we are reading little bit book. But yes, if we are reading and we are listening with our whole heart and mindful, I can say, so that moment also we can get something like this.
This is something which is your weaker point. When you consider something as a, because it's not about reading the books. In my
Yes.
case too, I read also a lot of the books, but I don't think that it is the plus point for me that I read the book so I would speak, like that. It's not like that. Because what happens sometimes, yeah, you are totally right. I have also encountered with a lot of the people. They have, so many books behind, in their what we call their stuffs. But what happens sometimes, we generally think that these books have been read by that particular person, but it's not that these books are all are in the english. They may be in the hindi as well. We don't know really. So we should not think about that what kind which kind of the books they are. We have to just practice. We have to just have the conversation. Don't think that what is the purpose of having so many books with that person. Just having the conversation, it is sufficient for us. Why would we much
Yes.
worried about these people?
Sometimes just as we are on the this track of learning english communication skill, so definitely whenever we are just saying we are encountering someone like this who are having greater fluency and like advanced level fluency, so of course there's automatically it's the feeling is coming inside, like yes, I have to also become like that particular person. So like this, if we are having, only then we can work upon ourselves in better way to be like them. So these type of things I'm having, just I'm sometime thinking. And I can also realize, I can say one thing, I can claim, like yes, speaking comes by speaking. means it doesn't matter, like we are consuming lots of things from reading, from listening in our mind, but we are not, if we are not articulating all the things, so there's it's all the things are useless. So some, and whenever I'm just speaking, and after finishing the class, I also realized like, yes, I'm feeling very happy. And whenever I'm not doing my speaking practice, so I'm only reading, I'm watching something, listening something, so that moment I never feel so much satisfied with myself. Whenever
Yeah,
I'm speaking, only then I feel satisfied.
I think after listening to you, I am thinking that I have to put the books, beside me whenever I have to conversation with you.
Yeah, you know, I'm always watching your video as well. So your way of speaking is also fantastic, and you are also using concrete word most of the time. And Nutan Deep ma'am, also she is always using. And whenever I'm watching her video, so I'm just mm, noting down words, and I'm learning, and I'm also thinking next time I will use this whatever I'm listening from her, because in her each and every sentence I can say, mostly I'm just encountering some new words that is new for me, especially I'm talking about me like this.
Yes, you are right. Yes, you use good, good vocabulary. It's nice. Yes, and this is very much true that whenever we watch anyone videos, we should have a notebook. If we get any new words, so we should not hesitate. Okay, I'm watching that person video, so I will not get anything. No, if we are watching someone video, so we should note down something. If that particular thing is new
Yes,
for us, and we should not be feel embarrassing, because you can learn from anyone else. It's maybe kid, it's maybe youth, it may be older, it may be male, female, whatever else. We can learn from anyone else. So there should not be
yes,
hesitancy. In my case too, I never make any hesitation. If I have to learn something from anyone else, I would love to learn, whether that person criticize me or appreciate me. Just I have to learn. And you mentioned about the books, like when we read the books, so reading books give us confidence, and we don't go blank. Generally we go blank when you don't read the book. So, and when you have the knowledge of particular things, in my case too, and you would meet to the people, those who read the books, they actually so knowledgeable person, because whenever they read something, so they are so knowledge, they have such a knowledge. That is the reason they speak, without taking pauses. Like sometimes what happen, we feel okay, so they can make any sentence structure, they can construct anything, just
yes,
because they have the knowledge. And yes, I would say one more thing to you. Last time when we had the conversation, that time you were looking so confusing. You were looking so underconfident. But this time
yes,
you are totally, as you mentioned, bindas conversation. You are looking so bindas, having, because the confidence is reflecting on your face, which was not there. You were looking because someone criticized you, so you just went into that. So don't worry about that. And generally, what happened, even that time, I also told you that when you do something, with your bottom of the heart, and you are going in the right direction, so what people do, they try to criticize you so that you can get the demotivation, and you cannot concentrate on your focus. Sometimes
yes.
what people do, even people also stop talking to you. They think that that person can go ahead of you. So this is the human psyche, human nature, to be jealous of the someone or somebody else.
So you are right, as you are saying that the first time when I was having session with you, first time and second time, also I think we are talking. Uh, this time it's third
Fourth
time.
time,
Yes, third
third,
time. Yes, we are talking. But yes, uh, in our second conversation also, I was not that much confident, I can say.
yes,
Means I just because I can say little by little I started realizing like why I'm feeling any nervousness. Means no one is going to give me something, I'm not going to ask something from someone, and no one is going to give me. And if I'm here on this platform, so I'm for learning purpose. So until I feel myself confident, how can I learn? And if I feel only embarrassed, I feel only shy to face any people, so how can I achieve my goal in English? So I have to
Right.
just change my nature, myself. So I can say by listening lots of audiobook, motivational speeches like this, I have achieved this much confidence in myself. Like, yes, whatever I'm doing good because I'm also mature enough. I know that
Right.
what I'm doing, I'm not doing something wrong. So why? What is the need to feel shy, to feel embarrassed like this? So, and we should always try to improve ourselves for 1% at least daily. So I'm
Right.
just doing the same thing. Just I'm first of all, I just I can say I have made up my mind, like I have to only work upon my confidence level. And as you mentioned that whenever we are reading books, so reading books is something that is giving us knowledge. And that moment also, whenever just we are going to talk to someone and suppose someone just ask something randomly, so only we can able to give answer properly when we are reading books. Just because now we are just on this track of learning English, and if we are reading books, so obviously it's related to English. So suppose if we are reading, so we are getting something, means lots of topic, lots of points. So at that moment also I feel if someone is just asking randomly something, so I can say like, yes, I will not be blank that time. I will just
Right.
deliver something right, means not accurate, but yes, whatever in my mind I'm able to deliver at least. And this comes only by reading books.
I guess even in your case, you must be more confident than someone else because you are the teacher, and the teacher is the someone who motivates to the others. And teacher can't be ever demotivate. What I believe, because
Yes.
teacher is like the more than the God, because we pray to the God because of the teacher, because teacher guide us, and in your case, so you can't be actually demotivate, because you can make the I mean hundreds and the thousands of the children kids motivate to get the motivation. And yes, like generally we consider that like whenever we visit somewhere, so we think that someone is judging us, but actually no one judges. It is only we
Yes.
who judge ourselves. The moment
Yes.
we start by judging us, so other people also noticing you, and they also start by judging you. So it is totally up to us how we look at us. If you are let's just suppose if you are going to a marriage party or any party, if your clothes are not so up to the mark, so you would feel very inferior, and you think that okay, everyone is looking at me, everyone is noticing at me. But in the reality, no one is noticing at you. It is only it is your illusion and delusion that you are just
Yes.
making you inferior. In my case too, in the beginning when I started my own journey, I also had the same feeling that when I would talk to the someone else, so that person would judge me how I'm speaking. But the moment I started working on myself, as you started, I got the confidence, you can say the leaps and the bound, without any
Yes.
kind of the like the distraction and disturbance. So yes, we should be very confident. Doesn't mean that with whom you are having the conversation, or you are having the meetings, or whatever else.
Yes, you are right. So earlier I was also, I can say I was flustered a lot while I was going to have session with anyone. But nowadays I'm just I can completely I can say like I have overcome those problems, those things. So yes, this is
Right.
our life, and whatever we are going to feel, this is completely our decision. As you are saying, sometimes it's only our illusion that we are feeling ourselves inferior to others, and we are feeling inadequacy inside us. So this is only our state of mind, because no one is thinking like this about us, because everyone is so much busy in their life, no one
Right.
has time to think about others. Only it's me who are thinking like this about me. No one
Yeah.
else is thinking like this. It's
And
only my state of mind. So if I have to think about me, so why should I think bad? I have to think good, better, best about myself. No, like this. I have learned this thing also from listening audiobooks, I can say.
yes, you have hit the ball now. You rightly said that Yes, yes, really, because no one has the time to think about us. Only we have the time to think about us. Yes, very much true. And you said very rightly. I was not expecting, that you would say like this. But yes,
Yes,
you are
you are, because means everyone is so much busy nowadays. If we talk about ourselves, so hardly sometime I'm getting time to have any conversation, like any call to my relatives. And sometimes whenever I'm just going to call to someone, my relatives, my in-laws relative, and I'm just feeling embarrassed inside, like what will they say, like after such a long time, finally Sapna just remembered. Sapna is just going to call us. So I'm saying sorry. I just the sorry. I am just going to call you after a long time, just because I was so much busy. I have to take station. So they are saying, okay, don't say sorry. Don't say all these things, because I was also so much busy. I was.
yeah,
So that moment I realized, oh my God, it's not only me who is busy. Means they are also busy, and they are not thinking something. They are not getting offended.
you're right. 2 day back, I had arranged a conversation with the one person. So we decided that we would talk at the 12 p.m. But I was occupied with my work, so I couldn't take the session that time. So, but what happened after 12 p.m. that person messaged me, said that that he's a busy. We would talk next day. So then I think it was not only me who was occupied with my own work. That person also was busy. So
That's
so what I thought that it is very right. Sometimes don't give the response quickly. Just wait and watch. Like
yes, yes. Go ahead.
and so what I'm saying that if I would have given the response to him that okay, I'm busy, so it might be that he would have given me the lot of the things that you are not so careful about the time. So I just felt very happy that finally he just sent a message to me that he's also busy.
Yes, so sometime this is happening with me. That's why I told, like everyone is so much busy in their life. And sometime I was only thinking earlier, like yes, only I am so much busy just because I have lots of responsibility, household and school work, and then my kids, and my channel, my session. So by thinking this only, I was thinking that yes, I am only handling all the things. But all the person, all each and everyone is so much busy. It doesn't matter that they are not having extra responsibility like this, but still they are busy. Sometimes someone just messaged me, and I didn't reply, and the next time when they say, means I message and they didn't reply, and they just message me, sorry ma'am, I couldn't have session just because that time I was busy and all. And that time when they didn't reply at that moment, so also I got connected with someone. So that moment I realized, oh my God, means they are thinking that uh, I'm getting offended with them, but exactly I'm not getting offended. I'm just having a session with another person like
Yes,
this. That's why. So I realized, okay, means it is happening with everyone, not only with me. So just
yeah.
don't take tension about it. Be tension free like this.
Okay. So at the last, I would like to ask you one thing. As you know that Skype is going to close, so how would you converse? How would you converse with the coroners? So do you have any idea and plan?
Yes, I earlier means few days back I was also taking so much tension, as nowadays I'm saying that I'm so much bindas, so I'm not taking tension anymore. And someone also is there who just made me realize, like, don't take tension, because God is always there, and He will definitely provide some other option. Definitely He will
Yes, you
provide.
are
So
right.
just wait and watch, because literally inside I am taking tension. This is
Me too.
what to say,
Yes,
झूठी हंसी है, क्या ही कहें.
yes.
पर अंदर
It,
टेंशन है.
right, right. Yes, we should not think so much about the sky because it is
Yes,
not at our hand. It is not at our hand that we can stop it. It would be stopped, so it is going to be stopped. Just thinking about it, it's not going to, deliver any task. So just do the practice
yes,
until we have the option.
So if we want to practice, so we have lots of option to practice. And if we want to upload something, so we can make solo video, and we can upload, and there's a lots of option. For me, I can say, I have started my journey by making solo video itself, and it was the greatest method for learning or for speaking English, and that was my storytelling method. So definitely means, if Skype will no longer in use, so definitely I will do the same thing as in my initial day I was doing. So there's no tension at all. But yes, I will be definitely missing all my Skype group friends, just like you and others. And
Yes, the same here. But we can, like, the ships are also have the, I mean, the WhatsApp, the groups. So, but yes, we would not miss to each one another. I mean, because we are connected with our channels. We do the comments there.
yes,
We
yes. So
so
channel we get connected. But you know one thing, there's another app is also available, and most of the people
team
are just
team app.
team application. So most of my recording video, it's on team application, but I'm able to see that video, but I'm not able to download it and just bring it in my gallery.
You must
uh,
find that one. So Bindas conversation.
yes.